Okay, so now I have put these cables. I've laid these two cables which goes to power cables. So I want to show you. Now the cables are now okay, they're perfectly fine. So now I need to put a button there that will be used to press the phone. Have you seen? The phone is on. Okay, have you seen? On and goes off. Okay, so now let me put a button, then the phone will be now working perfectly. I am done with this phone now. It's for working. So this button is working now. It's very soft. It's not that you have to use more strength to place it now, but it's now working very perfectly. I'm done with this work, so now the customer will come in the next 20 minutes to come and correct his phone. Thank you.